temperatures with rain at all reporting stations include 66 degrees at Memphis, while the Nashville area reports some heavy rain and 62. It's also 62 at Chattanooga with rain falling, 54 on the plateau at Crossville, some heavy rain and 56 at London, Corbin, Kentucky, 65 with cloud cover in Tri-Cities, a little thunder shower here in Knoxville, and 65. We do hope the weekend will be at least halfway pretty, but it doesn't look too good right now. Here's the official forecast. Cloudy with occasional periods of rain and a few thunder showers tonight. That chance is 80%, decreasing to about a 50% chance tomorrow and 20% chance tomorrow night. The outlook for Sunday right now is partly cloudy, also partly cloudy Monday, and we certainly hope it turns out that way. Have a good weekend. Don't let the rain dampen your spirits. Mike has sports next.
You take our address now. We're going to ask our announcer to tell you where to write for your free copy. Okay? Okay.
Here we have is our special guest on our Christmas program, our own little weather girl, right here at Channel 6, Knoxville, Tennessee. Howdy, Margie.
Hello, Buster. It's so nice to be here with you on your Christmas show.
Well, it's nice having you here on our Christmas show, and we watch you at 6 o'clock each night here on Channel 6 from Knoxville, Tennessee, and also at 11 o'clock. Now, tell the folks way out in our other states about your Ladies' Day program here on Channel 6 also.
Well, it's a Ladies' Day with Margie program, and it comes on each weekday morning at 9 o'clock right here on Channel 6. We have a big variety, especially organizations or anything happening in and around. We have musical entertainment every now and then, too. Well, you and Bonnie have been on Ladies' Day, and It was a real pleasure. Well, we had a lot of good response from that show.
Well, good. Maybe we can get back on your show sometime.
Will you do that?
Mm-hmm.
You're invited. There's an open invitation.
I'm going to give you this microphone, and you do us a Christmas song.
All right. Hope everybody has a Merry Christmas.
Okay, thank you.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe where you can see every couple try to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and do some caroling.
All right. Thank you, Margie.
We'll be back with more news in a moment. It was almost a rainless weekend, wasn't it?
Not a record, but a pretty good average, and we have some other activity coming up, though.
Right. Margie will be back with a look at the weather in a moment.
Men at Shirts Etc. As always, your headquarters for shirts and more. Dress, sport, knits and westerns, slacks, khakis, solids, and spring plaids. And for the active man, running pants, shorts, knit shirts of all styles to mix and match. Tennis knits only $9.90. And tall and big men, you know you're special with us. Thousands of shirts, up to 38-inch sleeve lengths and 20-inch neck. We have long and short sleeve dress shirts, sport, knits, terries, and westerns. Tall ties and slacks, too. For the tall and big man, it's Shirts Etc. Suburban Center, 1 block west of Westtown.
Well, if you like hot weather, you are in luck. Well, a lot of folks say, hey, I wouldn't mind an afternoon shower to cool things off. Well, that's possible, too. Let's take a look at the national weather now by way of the satellite imagery. This was taken a little earlier, but it can actually tell and sum up the whole story. A lot of those clouds over Colorado, would you believe west of the divide in Colorado, they had 3 inches of snow and a lot of thunderstorm activity going on, not only in the plains, but over much of Ohio. And there is a tornado watch until 9 o'clock tonight for many areas along the Great Lakes. Why? Because of a low pressure here, and this is a slow-moving cold front. The reason I say slow-moving, it's caused a lot of rain. The rain is mainly on the plains, 1 to 2 inches from the upper plains down toward Texas. Austin got more rain today, and there is a severe thunderstorm watch for areas from the Panhandle all the way across to this low here. Why do we have nice weather? Well, you might call the humid weather a little bit uncomfortable. It's because of 2 highs, actually. Bermuda high right here hooking into a high over the eastern part of Tennessee and the western Carolinas. It has caused hot weather, 92 degrees both at Nashville and Memphis, and all skies are fair to partly cloudy. The hot weather continues over Florida with 105 over the southernmost section. To Jana and Monica, I received your nice letters. You're going to Myrtle Beach? It's pretty nice there under the influence of this high. It's hot and humid, and you're going to have good sun 11:10 weather. We covered the east. The western third has sunshine for the most part, a little damp and cool over the Pacific Northwest because of an on-moving cold front, and that will be possibly getting us by sometime next week. We have a change in store for you, a good one, and we'll check that when we look at the extended outlook for Knoxville. Clean sweep, not only on the long-range National Weather Service radar, that's just clutter around Nashville, but our own TV10 radar. Just the rough terrain, that's all you see there as the sweep goes around from high atop Sharps Ridge. Temperatures? It's felt like summer. When you're hot, and I'll tell you, folks down in Chattanooga got to 93 there. They have dipped down to about 92. You see, temperatures do not drop that much because the sun goes down so late at night now. Gives you a little bit more time to work in the yard if you can stand the humidity. Temperatures are mainly in the 80s, 85 on the plateau, 92 down at Chattanooga, 87 in Tri-Cities as well as the Asheville vicinity, and 88 both at London, Corbin, and Oak Ridge. Your hot forecast after a check of today's statistics. They stacked up like this. The low this morning was 69. The high was 90 at the airport, close to 95 in various sections of downtown. It's still hot, 90 here at 10, 88 at McGee-Tyson, both under fair skies, of course. Winds are fairly gentle and from the southwest running near 5 miles per hour. Projected winds southwest around 10 for tonight and tomorrow, and the pressure is fluctuating at 3009. Humidity 73%. Zero rainfall in Knoxville for the last 2 days. A few sprinkles in some areas on Saturday, but it was a rain-free weekend, as Carl and I were saying a second ago. 391 is the monthly tabulation. That is 223 plus for June. We're still a little more than 3.5 inches in the deficit for the year. Sunset at 8:54 should be lovely. A nice evening in store with fair sky cover. It will be quite humid and warm with a low near 70 to 73. If you have outdoor activities planned, it looks like a good night for it. Tomorrow, the sun comes up at 6:19, partly sunny and not only hot but humid and hazy, a high about 93, and there is a 20% chance of maybe some widely scattered showers by late in the day. Tomorrow night, sundown at 8:54. Fair for the most part. It will continue on the humid side. The cold front will be creeping our way, bringing a 20% risk of widely scattered showers and a low around 70 degrees. On Wednesday, partly cloudy. However, showers will be more numerous as the cold front gets closer to the middle part of Tennessee, and it should be a little bit more comfortable as far as the temperature. It will be somewhere around 85 degrees. On the outlook board, it's looking better. I told you I had a little change in the weather, and I'm very happy to report that if the cold front comes on through here, it appears that we're going to have highs about 86, lows about 65. Not a lot cooler, but it will feel awfully good compared to 90 and 95, and a good-looking weekend under the influence of high pressure. Now, that's an outlook. A lot of things could change by then, but let's hope we get a few of those widely scattered showers, if nothing else, to cool things off. It felt like 90 in the shade today. A very special hello to Spec Level and to all of you folks out there. There's more on Action 10, so you stay right where you are.
CL Butcher Insurance, serving the North Knoxville area for over 30 years. Casey Jones of KCC Jones Insurance Group on Vine Avenue in Knoxville.
Minor league season continues tonight. Knoxville Blue Jays continue their series in Chattanooga. The Blue Jays and the Lookout split a doubleheader yesterday. Blue Jays currently are in the basement in the Southern League's Western Division. They trail fourth place Chattanooga by 5.5 games. And if they hope to climb out of the cellar this first half, they need to sweep the remaining 2 games down in Chattanooga.
Margie's Fashions have been furnished by Nancy Lynn Fashions, Knoxville, Alcoa, Oak Ridge, Greenville, and Asheville. That's the 6 o'clock edition of Action 10 News, Weather and Sports. For Bob and for Margie, I'm Carl Williams, reminding you to join us tonight at 11 o'clock for the news. Stay tuned now for the CBS Evening News with Dan Rather.
This is the CBS...